just flying a drone. No, not drone, an airplane. Oh, you did it! Yeah.
Yeah, we did a, what do you call it? A drifting landing. All right, line it up again.
I'm gonna toss it. I want to see if you can make it smooth. Oops.
That's the wind, because I'm not hardly doing anything. I'm turning it now.
Move back.
All right, I powered it down. See? All right, get out of the runway. I'm going to try to land it.
You failed. Yeah, okay. Go out.
Oh, no.
That was a little bit too rough.
The wind caught it and blowed it again. Uh-oh. I think something else happened to it. Because this...
What about this thing?
Yeah, but it wasn't bad. Okay, hold that. Don't hit the power, okay. I think it's time to take it in because it's starting to rain again.
What's that number for?
Oh, that's just a call sign letters for the radio. For what that is. For a Piper Cub. Alright. Well, the final strut. Oh, it just came undone.
Remote control airplane crashes.